Good morning, everyone. My name is NITHIN, and my branch is EC. Startup company is what, and the product project name is Protect. Proposal product name is Smart Precision Agriculture. And these are the mentioning some of requirements and the feelings about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First, your crop talks with the soil and automatically gets adequate amount of water from the water sprinklers. Connectivity and intelligence things around us are connected to each other and performing intelligent actions. Simple and interactive things. Can sense their surroundings, can talk to their other things, can act intelligently. On this, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings of requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Ecotech, and the foresting product is Smart Precision Agriculture. And these are the some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Soil moisture sensors, soil sensor moisture levels, electrochemical sensors measure pH and soil nutrients levels, temperature and humidity sensors sensor water weather conditions. And these are some of the diagrams of how to sensors works and how sensor works in the prototype stage and the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor advised you to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy testing stage. And thank you.